Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft. And if you had been looking for a nice transparent case for your brand new Samsung Galaxy M34, then look no further than the Solimo case, which is available on Amazon. By the way, Solimo is nothing but an Amazon brand, guys. So you all can check out the link in the description to get this from Amazon. And this is one of the transparent cases which I had been looking for. And in my opinion, it is one of the cheapest cases. Also, you can buy it, and you all can get this below like 400 rupees, and which is very flexible. In my case, this is not a silicone, like complete silicone case, but it is somewhat like a TPU and silicone hybrid kind of cases. And as you can see, there is this dotted pattern with the help of which you won't be getting bubbles on your Samsung M34. And I'd been using this case for maybe a couple of weeks and I had no issues, but mind you, this case will get yellow. If you like this kind of videos, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates. And as you can see, the M34 5G looks gorgeous in this particular color. This is the silver color. You all can check this out. I have also done a review of this particular phone, and the case fits beautifully. Follow us also on all the social media guys, and which will help my channel a lot. And as you can see, even the camera bump is contained, and there are the buttons and the cutouts of this particular case is quite nice. And as you can see, even the fingerprint is quite much accessible. And if you see this, it is very nice, guys. And I don't think so it is going to offer that much of a drop protection because the camera is not so much protected. But if you are just looking for a very slim case with which will help you to protect your phone from scratches and all, then this is the case to buy. And especially with the silver case, guys, some of the colors and which are like like reflecting and all are a bit lost. Again, in my case, this is a perfect example of a very good case. So I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel, and also do check out these awesome videos which we have it. Let me know in the comments below whether you are thinking of getting this from Amazon or not. Again guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.